Guys, take a look on this God's amazing creation. This is Hanamomo Sato or Peach Blossom Village somewhere in Nagano. Akala ko dati hindi ako makakita ng ganitong view. Grabe, God is so good because He gave us time na makakita kami ng ganito kagandang view. And isi-share ko sa inyo because sharing is caring. Enjoy nyo lang manood guys kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng view ng place na ito. Grabe, parang sa calendar ko lang to nakita dati, pero totoo to guys. Kitang kita ng dalawa kong mata. Sobrang amazing place. Yung peach blossom, ang gandang pagmasdan kasi iba't ibang kulay yung flowers niya. At saka yung dagdag pa yung waterfalls. And what made it more special because my mom just really saw it in person. At sobrang happy din ng mama ko kasi first time din yung makita. Diba? It's more special if you share it with someone you love. At sobrang happy namin dito kasi apakapagod maglakad. Ang layo ng lalakarin pero sobrang ganda ng view kaya mawawala din yung pagod mo kasi along the way ang dami mong makikita. Napakalawak ng peach blossom na ito. At saka magandang mamasyal dito during Golden Week sa Japan. That is the end of April until the first week of May. Ang gandang mamasyal dito kasi sobrang ganda ng view at saka fully bloom na siya. At saka hindi masyadong mainit ng time na yon. Okay, pag may time kayo guys, special din kayo dito. It's Hanamomo Sato in Nagano. Have a great day everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. God bless.